very respected position in Italy. If you make pasta, it's very well regarded. If you really take that job seriously, you do it really well. It's an art form, and there's history in all the shapes and sizes too, and recipes that go together with them, which is why I stress that so much in your events. How important authenticity is. If you put chicken in a fettuccine alfredo, why might that not be authentic?
What was the chef originally intended?
Yeah, how was it originally intended?
The sauce was actually to help morning sickness
Right.
for his pregnancy.
Right. So there's a story behind it. So you need to be aware of that and know what you're doing. This dough will do most shapes. If you wanted to make a lasagna, if you wanted to make a cannelloni, or shells, or ravioli, or raviolini, or raviolo, right? There's just hundreds of shapes you can do. The Italians are just crazy with it. They have one that's just a piece of pasta like this, and they call it fazzolotti, which means handkerchief. So it's like it's just like pulled up a little bit. It looks like a handkerchief on the plate with all the sauce around it. I don't know what kind of sauce they use. That's how my Italian joke. When I see my Italian friends, like, what kind of sauce do you use for fazzolotti? They laugh. Handkerchief. Like, dude, why do you make a pasta out of handkerchief? So, for this, I want you to understand the method, and where most people mess up is in the scaling of the ingredients. So they don't measure things accurately. So you should measure these things 2 and 3 times and make sure you got it. And this, what you're going to do is, so for pesto with tortellini today, you're going to do this, you're going to set this up, stop, and come get it. Just so we can confirm. Because we really don't want to waste or be like, I don't know what happened, it didn't work. And then you're just like, oh, and like, no, it doesn't work like that. So we're going to make a critical control point, a stop here, and make sure everything looks like this. Do not combine anything. Okay, keep everything separate. Because this is where we can fix it, right? If you have half a liter of water versus half a cup of water, we can fix that at that point, right? We'll see. But if you start to mix things, it's hard to know where the breakdown is, okay? So when you're first starting things, keep everything separate until you understand what you're doing, and then over time you do it blindfolded. But first time you got to go really slow. And so over here you can see all our dry ingredients. Over here you can see the wet ingredients. And we're going to build this together. So you can see the individual ingredients are going to get combined in these bowls, and then we're going to combine it in here and pull it all together. Okay?